Hello guys, welcome to Addota farm. In today's video we are here again and in our Addota goat farm. So today I just want to show you how the goat has been doing well, and we brought in some sheep to this farm. So we intended to rear sheep in this particular farm also. So at the end of this video we are going to see that sheep. There are two, but they are of different breed. One is the Balami, while the other one I didn't actually know the name of the breed. But the Balami on sheep is white in color, while the other one is black and white. The Balami is an exotic one, while the other one is local one. So you are going to see it, and you are going to see our farm also. They has been doing well so far, so good. We have 6 pit of goats in this particular farm. We have 6. So you see everything at the end of this video. So please, if you haven't start up your goat business yet, please do well to start up your goat farm, because goat farming is lucrative. Yes, people are doing it, is lucrative, and we are enjoying it. We just started doing this January. So starting from January to May, you can see that we have the goat has given birth to 6. So if you start up your own now, you are going to enjoy it, and we intend to do this particular farm for like 6 to 7 years. So can you see, this farm will be very, very big, more than the way we even expected. So please, if you haven't started up any farm yet, please do well to start up the farm. It could be pig, it could be goat, it could be chickens, poultry, bird, anyone that you want of your choice. Please do well to start up your farm. Please, if you are here to subscribe to our YouTube channel, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn the notification bell to be notified when next we drop a new video for you. Please like this video and share. Bye for now.